So, welcome to Classic Car Cave. Got a new delivery this morning. We ordered it about a week or so ago, and I think we only paid for it on Monday or Tuesday. Sent the money off, and it was delivered this morning at 9 o'clock. This is the box and the pallet it came on, and this is what it is. It's a hot water high pressure washer, and it goes up to 100 C and 150 bar, which is too heavy for cars and stuff, but for doing our deck work here and our drives, which has got lots of oil in them, it'll be perfect. And the stonework as well around in the garden and the house and everywhere, plus the walls. So there's a couple of extra things we got with it. Apparently they gave us this, I reckon that is 130 euro, but this is for the snow foam, which they gave us as a so-called freebie, but you had to buy this for 180 for doing the hose. Otherwise you have to have this hose all the way around, but you can get more connections for it. But it looks like it's all there. And you lift this thing here, and you can see around the other side. Oh, I'll just show you. So it's diesel operated, so it's diesel heated, and it's there's 3-phase, which I've got both downstairs and upstairs. And there's the high pressure pump there, you can see. So, and there, I'll go through it, but there's the controls there. So this will be the heater box coming up here. So where that actually goes on, I'm not quite sure. Must be some instructions. Yeah, there you go. So I'll have a look at that and see where that's. But it's Lima. I don't know where they're from. Anyway, it's nice. It rolls around very, very easily. I'll just show you. So it moves quite easy. I can move it with one hand, luckily, because my other arm's bad. There you go. So, but if you're taking this over rough terrain, you just use the back wheels. Just tip it backwards, and then you don't have to use that caster on the front. So there we are. So I think it was just over 3,000 euros. I mean, these things, you know, the professional ones, they're 6, 8, 10, well, you can pay whatever. But for the amount of time we'll use it. One of the things I've learned about these over the years with different bases that I've run, where we've had them, professional ones, the weak point on these is always the heater box. So what we'll do is make a strict regime of using it for no more than sort of 20 minutes, half an hour at a time, and then letting it cool down. It's when they're used constantly for hours and hours and hours. It's always the heater box that goes on them. So we'll try and avoid that. So, but nice bit of kit to add to the arsenal. So we can use that really high pressure on these decking boards here. But what we're intending to do here is to take this wood out in this courtyard and lay a terracotta coloured bricks, but in a herringbone pattern. So what we'll do is, fortunately, we can use that end drive with a grab to put the stone in. It's about sort of 30 centimetres under here, which needs heavy MOT or heavy stone, and then the light stone, which we have to compact. But want to bring it exactly where it is now. So there's that rake on it. So basically all of this from the gate here, all the way up to just in line with this, will be brick, and then we'll do a little bit on the end here. But I don't know if you can see. You might be able to see. Maybe not. But it's about 20 centimetres, 30 centimetres in places. So all the board will come, but all this will stay, and we'll wash it all and restain it. So it looks, hopefully, as it did in the first place, like that. You can see the big difference where it's weathered. So we can get it all clean with that kind of pressure. And with the heat as well, it should clean that really nicely. So there we are. Another little gift. Really happy with that. We'll be using it quite a bit, I think, this year with all the repair work and stuff we're doing. So I'll take you on to the next little project. So the problem is, as well, is we can't do it in a curve because of the way they're shaped. So as you can see, They look really nice. We're going to power wash this when my new hot wash power washer comes next week, hopefully. But you can see you have to do it in straight lines because it is in straight lines. But look how nice that looks all the way up, and it's so easy to walk up now. Once that's washed, look at that, looks great. Once that's washed, that'll really stand out, and then hopefully we'll put some more grass seeds in this summer, because normally we mow over the top of this either side, but it looks really nice. The garden looks great. So as you can see, the path's laid in. It might not be obvious straight away because of the shadow. You'll see it when I go further down. Is that the problem is we have to take the... I'll go around this way so you can see it better maybe. Oh, I'm in the way with the shadow now. Yeah, so the middle one's been put right in where the centre of the gate is, which sounds the right way to do it. But the problem here is the edge of that post there is right on the stone, and as you can see, that one's a little bit over, and the gate is at an angle. So in fact, what we need to do is take all these stones out here and pop them into this one on the side here. So I'll have to cut them, because when you look down, it's too far to the left. I know it's a silly thing, but it'll annoy the shit out of me every time I see it. So I go down, I'll show you what I mean. It looks great though, and it's so much easier to walk on. But I want to keep this side grass, or cut grass, because in the winter when this is icy, it'll be back to the same thing. So I need to keep the sides for the tyres, trailers and the wheels of different cars, whatever. Yeah, you might be able to see it now. So you can see there's 2 whole blocks, 1, 2, and then there's a space. Some of them are out of line, but that's not a problem. And then you can see there's 1, 2. Now there's 2 spaces, so we need to take them ones out and put them right next to it all the way down. As you can see it there, it's just out of alignment. It needs to come across 1 block. It's a bit more work, but it's going to have to be done.